Good morning. Welcome to the channel, Retired Don't Give Up. I'm standing outside of the coffee shop that I had my accident about 4 weeks ago, where I fell and I could have severely hurt myself. Fortunately, it was not as bad, but when I was feeling better many weeks later, I came back. Here are the steps in question. There's no railing on those steps and no railing here. Again, it was very wet. I managed to get down here and here, but I made the step. I made the step from here and here. Even this is on an angle. You know, my foot went out from underneath and I pitched forward. I tried to get underneath, but unfortunately my body weight was too strong and I landed right here. I'm going to go in and talk to the owner now. And I had a very good conversation with the owner. I'm going to show you what she did. It shows that business owners in northern Thailand, in Thailand, are conscientious of safety, and of course it affects their business. And the big problem, of course, was a railing. I showed over here where she has a store. You can see where she has a set of stairs and she had a railing at those stairs. So I showed her a picture of those stairs so she understood. She does not speak English, but we did through translation, and she had seen me fall. So she knew very well that I had hurt myself, and it was a concern for her. So I asked her if she would put a railing, a simple railing. This is where I fell, and she did exactly that. In less than 4 weeks later, I don't know when she did it, but when she did do it, she sent a message to Katai that it was done. And to me, that is a conscientious owner, and she owns the Hook Cafe. Now, on my last video, I made an effort not to show the name of the cafe, but now, as you can see, I am duly impressed that she had made the effort to think of the safety of the elderly people that, of course, will visit her coffee shop. Now I'm going to take you in and I'm going to show you her coffee shop, why we like coming here, because it is a very nicely appointed, air-conditioned, and our friends really enjoy coming here. And here's the owner, you know, nice cool place to sit. Foreigners like to come, you know, lots of bakery. If you like to have a meal, she has a kitchen in the back. You know, and through here she has additional seating and the restaurant and the kitchen at the back. And through there she has her store. We're going to go outside and we're going to take a quick picture. So this is the owner. Like I say, many of my friends, we like to come here, but this was a very concerning thing. And she took this very serious, and she put this up right away to look after the senior citizens that like to come to her cafe. I want to thank you so much for doing this so that we can continue to come to your cafe. Kapun ka. Until next time, bye for now. And remember, don't give up.